Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So these days a topic is hovering here and there that is called AI image. So what is this AI image? So AI image is nothing but a system that's create an image that you provide the description, and by that order it follows your instruction and create that image. So let's see how this AI image create an image and how this whole process is work. So before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from this channel. So first you have to click on Google Chrome, then come to this DALL-E 2.0, or you can say DALL-E 2 OpenAI. Yeah, you heard that right. It's come from OpenAI. So you have to log in, as I have already created an account. And if you don't have an account, you just simply sign up. So I'm here, login and login. So this is the main interface. So we have to create that image using this interface. So suppose I want to upload an image first. Drop it. After that, if I want to give this image a new look, then I have to edit image. Suppose I want to give my image a new look, like I want to give a cap in my head, so I have to edit this section only. Then right here, cap, and generate. Let's see, is generate that cap on me or not. So as you can see, it successfully generated that cap. So this one is look decent. So after that, I want beard in my face. So again, click edit and lower the cursor a bit. Then I have to select this section to edit. Type beard. Generating the beard. Let's see, this can handle this or not. So yeah, it's look really nice. This look really realistic, isn't it? After that, I want glasses, so I want to edit again, then edit in my eyes and type specs. Click generate. Here you can see the tips. This thing you can also type here and it generates that image according to your need. That. So yeah, it's look pretty good. So let's try something else. Suppose a car is flying over the sky. Let's see if it generates that or not. So yeah, it successfully generated that image also. Try something else. teddy bear, teddy bear, running office. Let's see. It's a tricky one. So yeah, as you can see, this generate that image. You can also see the variation of that image. So this is the variation of that descriptive image. You can also do much more things like what's it? Like a monkey driving cycle. Yeah, it creates so much funny image, you know. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.